Asia. An underwater Garden of Eden that supports the highest diversity of marine life on the planet. But here, amid the world's richest reefs, another ecosystem goes unnoticed, its riches hidden in the sand. At first glance, it's a barren wasteland. But the mucky seabed is alive, with weird and wonderful creatures.
To actually see them doing the things that keep them alive is something very special.
To my knowledge, this footage is the first time where we've actually gotten an exact glimpse of what happens.
Nothing here is quite as it seems. This is the mysterious world of life in the muck.